In organic compound containing, we already discussed in previous lecture alkane. Now alkane general formula, alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. Put the value of the n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose n is equal to 1, then CH4 methane, C2H6 ethane, C3H7H, C3H8 propane, C4H10 butane. Next 5 carbon pentane, 6 carbon hexane, 7 carbon heptane, 8 carbon octane, 9 carbon nonane and 10 carbon decane. It is a homologous series of alkane. All are example of saturated hydrocarbon containing presence of carbon-carbon single bond in this all compound: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. Next alkene, presence of carbon-carbon double bond. General formula CnH2n. Suppose value of n is equal to 10, C2, 2 2s are 4, 4 hydrogen. In this alkane, this presence of double bond An is sufficient to Ene. An is sufficient to Ene. Then alkene, presence of carbon-carbon double bond. 2 carbon ethene, 3 carbon propene, 4 carbon butene, 5 carbon pentene, 6 carbon hexane, 7 carbon heptene, 8 carbon octane, 9 carbon nonene and 10 carbon decene. At least one double bond present in alkene compound. It is an example of unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is an example of unsaturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon double bond, containing carbon-carbon double bond. Alkynes, An is sufficient to Yne, presence of carbon-carbon triple bond. It is an example of unsaturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon triple bond. Then alkynes, general formula CnH2n minus 2. When the value of n is equal to 2, then C2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2, therefore 2 carbon with 2 hydrogen. Then ethyne, 3 carbon, then propyne, 4 carbon means butyne, 5 carbon means pentyne, 6 carbon means hexyne, 7 carbon means heptyne, 8 carbon means octyne. When presence of carbon-carbon triple bond means alkynes compound having at least one triple bond present. At least one triple bond present. Now alcohol, it is a hydroxy derivatives of alkane. CH3OH means methanol, 2 carbon means C2H5OH means ethanol, 3 carbon is propanol, 4 carbon means butanol. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. When in alkane is sufficient to oil, it convert to alkanol. 1 carbon means methanol, 2 carbon means ethanol, 3 carbon means propanol, 4 carbon means butanol. We discussed this chart in last video. Aliphatic or open chain compound, in that alkane we already study. Unsaturated compound alkene with alkynes. Alkene means olefin, carbon-carbon double bond. Alkyne means carbon-carbon triple bond, already study. Now another, it is in a cyclic form or closure ring compound. There are also two types, alicyclic and aromatic. Now we discuss all these alicyclic and aromatic, which are closure ring compound, which is in the form of cyclic form. This is an example of alicyclic ring, which are closed ring compound. Suppose there are 1, 2, 3 carbon which is present in the cyclic form, 1, 2 and 3 carbon. Suppose 3 carbon means propane, and it is in the form of cyclic, therefore its name cyclopropane. Now total number of carbon present, there are 3 carbon present, 1, 2 and 3. Total number of hydrogen present, 2, 4, 6. There are C3H6. It is a molecular formula cyclopropane. Molecular formula of cyclopropane is C3H6. It is a alicyclic compound. Now another, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon in the form of cyclic. Therefore its name cyclo. 5 carbon means pentane. 5 carbon means pentane. Therefore its name cyclopentane. There are total 5 carbon and each carbon having 2 hydrogen. Therefore total number of hydrogen is 10. There its name cyclopentane. Now next we structure also draw. Suppose in a square plane means that there are total 4 carbon. Now numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbon means butane in the form of cyclic. Therefore its name cyclobutane. There are total number of carbon 4 and each carbon having 2 hydrogen. Therefore total number of hydrogen 6. It is a molecular formula of cyclobutane. It is a molecular formula of cyclobutane. Molecular formula. Now next structure, there are total 6 carbon present, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in the form of cyclic. Therefore 6 carbon means hexane in the form of cyclic. Therefore its name cyclohexane. There are total 6 carbon and each having 2 hydrogen. Therefore total number of hydrogen is 12. It is example of alicyclic closure ring compound. Now aromatic compound, there are some characters. There are presence of alternative single bond and double bond. It valid Huckel's rule, not in your 10th standard. After 11, 12 standard you will study about the Huckel's rule. Now some character, aroma means sweet smell and there are sp2 hybridization. This concept already in you will study in 11 or 12 standard. Now this is a closure ring compound which is in the form of cyclic, but in this structure having alternate single bond and double bond means it is a conjugated double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are total 6 carbon and total number of hydrogen 6. It is a structure of benzene. Benzene is aromatic compound. Benzene is aromatic compound. Benzene is aromatic compound. Another structure of aromatic compound, toluene. Toluene, it is also known as a methyl benzene. Next, phenol, naphthalene. It is an example of aromatic compound. It is an example of aromatic compound which having alternate double bond present. Alternate double bond means conjugate double bond. It is also known as a conjugate double bond. Single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond in the closed ring structure or cyclic form. Now structure formula. As a skeleton like structure. Now suppose there are total 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 carbon. Therefore 4 carbon means it is a structure of butane. Presence of carbon carbon single bond and total number of hydrogen 10. How to draw? First draw total number of carbon 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The valency of carbon is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Completed. Another side end carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4 completed. Next, suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4 completed. 1, 2, 3 and 4 completed valency. It is a structure formula of butane. It is a structure formula of butane. Now propane. In propane having total 3 carbon, C3H8. There are total number of carbon 1, 2 and 3. Now 1, 2, 3 and complete valency 4. Now terminal 1, 2, 3 and 4 completed. Now middle carbon 1 and 2, 3 and 4 completed. This is structure of propane. This is the structure of propane 1, 2, 3. Structure of propane. Presence of carbon carbon single bond. So condensed formula we also write in this way. There are total number of carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. Condensed formula. Suppose there are 3 hydrogen means CH3, end carbon having also 3, middle carbon having 2 hydrogen, then CH2, then CH2. Also draw this structure that way. This is known as a condensed formula. This is known as a condensed formula. This is known as a condensed formula. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. It is a structure of butane. It is a structure of butane. Now there are 3 carbon. 3 carbon, then draw this way: CH3, CH2 and CH3. There are number of carbon 1, 2 and 3. It is structure of propane. It is a structure of propane. Now next, suppose there are 2 carbon. Therefore there only 2 carbon means CH3, CH3. Molecular formula C2H6. There are only 2 carbon 1 and 2. Therefore its name ethane. Ane suffix means presence of only carbon carbon single bond. Only presence of carbon carbon single bond. Now isomer. Isomer means the compound having same molecular formula but arrangement of the atoms or carbon skeleton is different to give different compounds. Then their chemical properties or physical property is different. Then it is known as a isomer. And the phenomenon is study. This is known as a isomerism. Iso means same. There are molecular formula same, but it gives different structure. Then different structure, then its chemical property and physical property also different. Then this study is known as a isomerism. There are now structure isomerism again classified into 2 types: structure isomerism and stereoisomerism. This stereoisomerism again classified into 2 types: geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. But this structure isomer again classified into 4 types: chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism and metamerism. Chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism and metamerism.